The Red Line is back up and running. Our dedicated construction team worked hard this summer on essential maintenance and upgrades to ensure a smoother ride for you. During this work, 102,000 feet of fiber optic cable for next-generation train signaling was installed, and more than 6,500 feet of rail was replaced. Our teams used 25 tons of concrete for repairs, and 857 areas were repaired to prevent leaks, keeping the system safe and reliable. These are just a few of this summer's accomplishments. We're so proud of our crews who worked through the heat to deliver these upgrades and maintenance, as well as our teams who provided nearly 1 million free shuttle bus rides during the construction to keep you connected. We appreciate your patience. No matter where you're going, thank you for trusting Metro to help get you there. We'll see you on board.